You walk into IKEA for one thing: a desk, a lamp, maybe just a set of shelves. But an hour later, you're carrying candles, plants, kitchen tools, and things you never planned to buy. It almost feels like the store tricked you. But here's the surprising part. The real product IKEA sells isn't just furniture. It's the journey you take before you reach the checkout. And that journey began decades ago with a young entrepreneur who believed one simple idea could change how the world bought furniture. The story starts in southern Sweden with a young boy named Ingvar Kamprad. From an early age, he enjoyed buying and selling everyday items. He offered neighbors simple products like matches, greeting cards, and pens, learning an important lesson long before he entered the furniture business. People didn't always want the fanciest product. They wanted something useful, at a price they could afford. In the early 1940s, while still very young, Ingvar officially started a small mail-order business. He called it IKEA, a name created from his initials and the names of the family farm and nearby village where he grew up. At first, IKEA had nothing to do with furniture. It sold small household goods through a catalog. But as the business grew, Ingvar noticed something. Many families dreamed of better homes. The problem wasn't demand. The problem was affordability. Good furniture often cost more than ordinary people wanted or were able to spend. Instead of accepting that reality, Ingvar asked a different question. Why should good design only be available to people with bigger budgets? That single question would shape every major decision IKEA made from that point forward. When IKEA began selling furniture, success created a new challenge. Furniture was large, heavy, expensive to move. Even if IKEA lowered its prices, transporting fully assembled tables and cabinets still cost a lot. For many companies, that would have been the end of the story. For IKEA, it became the beginning of a completely different way of thinking. Instead of shipping furniture already built, the company embraced flat-pack designs that could be packed into compact boxes and assembled by customers at home. The idea transformed the business. Smaller packages were easier to store, easier to transport, and more affordable to deliver. Those savings helped IKEA offer modern furniture at prices that reached far more people. But Ingvar wasn't satisfied with changing the product alone. He believed the shopping experience itself could be redesigned. And that decision would eventually lead to one of the most recognizable store layouts in the world. Walk into an IKEA today, and you'll notice something unusual. You don't immediately arrive at the furniture you came to buy. Instead, you're guided through bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, home offices, and carefully designed displays that feel like real homes. Every room tells a story. A sofa is paired with a coffee table. The coffee table matches a rug. The rug leads your eyes to a lamp. Without realizing it, you're no longer shopping for one item. You're imagining an entire space. That's exactly what makes IKEA different. The layout isn't designed to confuse customers. It's designed to inspire them. As shoppers move naturally from one room to the next, they discover products they might never have searched for on their own. Many stores even include shortcuts for people who want a faster route. But most visitors continue along the main path because every corner offers another idea. The longer people explore, the more complete their vision of home becomes. And that's where the title of this story finally makes sense. So, does IKEA really want you to get lost? Not literally. It wants you to slow down, to notice, to imagine. Every showroom is carefully arranged to help customers picture how different products work together in a real home. The goal isn't simply to sell another chair or another table. It's to make people leave with ideas they didn't have when they walked in. That's why an IKEA visit often feels less like running an errand, and more like exploring a home that hasn't been built yet. The biggest lesson from IKEA isn't about furniture. It's about understanding how thoughtful design can shape the way people make decisions. Now it's your turn. Do you think IKEA's store layout makes shopping more enjoyable? Or is it a clever sales strategy? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden strategies behind the world's biggest companies, subscribe for the next documentary.